Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna review about Dyson Airwrap. So let's start the video. So these are the attachments of Dyson Airwrap. This comes in curling wands. This is for straightening hair. This one is for drying and also for making less frizzy hair. This is for blow dry. Don't mind my messy hair, it's wet because I want to start from what I do usually on normal days after my hair wash. So let's start. So I have wavy hair, usually not that curly. So this is my wet hair. So after showering I usually use an anti-frizz conditioner. It's from Bare Anatomy. So I take almost 5 pumps of it and spread across my hair. I usually don't put conditioners on scalp, only on my hair. I use this conditioner to prevent frizz after styling. And before drying and styling, I use serum. This is from Jisoo. I take few drops and spread across my hair. This is to prevent heat damage. And this is the most important part, using this Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. It gives a good shine to the hair after styling. So I never skip this. So this is the power button. This is the temperature control button. And this is the fan speed button. So I'm gonna dry my hair. So this is the Quanda smoothing dryer attachment, which I'm gonna attach here. It can be used for drying and also for smoothing. So initially I'm gonna dry my hair with this. So this is for turning on. This is a cold shot button. So after drying my hair 80%, I go with detangling my hair using a white combed brush. This is from Dyson. So after detangling, I use this smoothing brush. This is a soft smoothing brush. There is a firmer smoothing brush as well without this. That's without this, which is more firmer. So we can attach this. So after smoothing my hair, I curl my hair using the barrels. This is a 40mm barrel and this is the 20mm barrel. So I usually go with 20mm barrel for tight curls. So let's curl our hair. So this has arrows directing which direction we are gonna curl the hair. So for this side of the hair, I usually turn to this side, and for the other side, we turn to the other side. after putting the heat shot, go for the cold shot to set the curls. So give the hot shot for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and a 5-second cold shot after it. So let's do this side of the hair. So I've done one side of my hair. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I turn this to the other side and then curl the rest of my hair. So I leave my curls for 30 minutes. Then I comb through to get a loose curls. Now it's like tight curls. So using the Kwanda effect, we can prevent flyaways. And after that, I set my curls using L'Oreal Elnet spray. The curls last 3 to 4 days. It's more effective with wet hair. So what I love about Dyson Airwrap is it uses less heat to style the hair, and it prevents hair fall and gives smooth shiny hair after each and every styling sessions. It looks like I've gone to salon and did a blowout, but I did at home. So if you like the video, comment below. So bye until next time. Bye.